for another Manufacturing Monday machine feature series. My name is Shanda with Industrial Machine, and today is all about vertical lathes. So let's take you down and show you one of our Youji VTLs. Well, as the shop is a bit loud today, I've got my hearing protection, of course I got my safety glasses and my steel-toed boots.
This turning center features an 11,000 pound weight capacity, 2+1 axis milling capability, 12 tool station magazine, live tooling for milling capability, 350 RPM chuck, 3 spindle coolant, and 2,000 RPM live tools.